What if you asked me, what's the most shocking and important finding in the field of nutritional science over the last decade? And I'd have to say that the answer to that is modulating protein intake has the most powerful effect on human lifespan, so that more animal protein shortens lifespan and more plant protein lengthens lifespan. This is the most powerful effect. And I also say that everyone in the nutritional field has it all wrong, because you have these people who are promoting high animal product diets because they want to reduce the glycemic load of the food for whatever the reason is. And then you have this plant-based movement, the vegans and the plant-based people, telling people that protein doesn't matter, you get plenty of protein with any combination of plants, and it doesn't matter what you eat, rice, potatoes, fruit, you're always going to get enough protein, and it's not going to affect your lifespan, just eat plants. That they're all wrong, you don't need the protein. And they're both wrong. And the science has shown again and again and again that they're both wrong. Because I'm saying here, and you may be hearing this for the first time, is that more animal protein shortens lifespan, but higher protein plant foods lengthen lifespan.